guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to learn how to create cinematic black burst effect using overlay. A new project in Kinemaster, and let's import a background. So I'll be choosing the background video that I'll be using on my project. Then under layer selector, click overlay and choose cinematic opening. So there you go. So you just have to choose on this option. So I'll be choosing the one that will go up and down. So that's it. You just have to make some text, background sounds, and anything else that you would like to add. So it's up to you. Hope you have learned something on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See ya!